just wanting to go home.
What time is it?
Too fucking late. 3 o'clock in the goddamn morning. It's a raining parking lot. I'm at a Walmart. I'm gonna beat the shit out of this fucking thing. Give me the tire. Give me the fucking tire. Jesus Christ,
You're so close. You're so close.
Tire. I'm gonna give me the fucking tire. God, you piece of shit. We need fulcrum.
What do you want?
Fulcrum. We need some sort of point where we can beat the shit out of this thing and break it. No fucking way. There's no ways.
We're gonna call AAA over the dumbest thing ever. Oh yeah, no, it's not that we can't change the tires, it's that we can't get the fuck out of the trunk.
It's unbelievable. Unbelievable.
Let's just get in the car and call it.
I did my damnedest. Sure, hold on.
We tried our best.
A couple more. A couple, 2, 3 knocks. What's up? Juggalo convention? Down with the clown? Ever seen a man beat the shit out of a spare tire before? They can't make a fucking vehicle this secure, but they can secure a fucking spare tire, can't they?
We can't guarantee our tires will last, but we'll guarantee you can't get that fucking spare
You can't
tire
get that
out.
fucking thing out when you need it. This is a fucking Honda, I'd be all set. GM, no wonder they fucking took a bailout.